Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at home. Welcome to the nursery class in California Public School, Khukrana, Moga. I am your teacher, Mrs. Kirandeep Kaur. Students, today we will learn beginning sound. Beginning sound. Today we will learn a sound of beginning sound. Speak with me. A. Look at the picture, students. Which picture is this? This is an elephant. Speak with me. Elephant. What is the beginning sound of elephant? A. A is the beginning sound of elephant. Engine. Speak, children. Engine. What is the beginning sound of engine? A. A is the beginning sound of engine. A is the beginning sound of engine. Now look at the other picture. Which picture is this? This is an egg. Speak with me. Egg. Which picture is this? Egg. What is the beginning sound of egg? A. A is the beginning sound of egg. A is the beginning sound of egg. Okay, see this one picture. Which picture is this? This is an elbow. Elbow. Speak with me. Elbow. What is the beginning sound of elbow? A. A is the beginning sound of elbow. A is the beginning sound of elbow. Our last picture is eggplant. This is eggplant. This is an eggplant. Speak with me. Eggplant. What is the beginning sound of eggplant? A. A is the beginning sound of eggplant. A is the beginning sound of eggplant. Children, see all the pictures once again. Speak with me. Eggplant. Eggplant. Elbow. This is an elbow. Egg. Egg. Elephant. Elephant. Engine. Speak with me. Engine. What is the beginning sound of these all the pictures? A. A is the beginning sound of these all the pictures. So students, today we have revised the A sound of beginning sound. So please revise at home. Okay. Bye bye.